What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make some extra money if you already have a t-shirt decal business, and all you need is a software, and you can get this online. And where I get them from is from Gotprint.com. I'm going to leave the link as usual, so make sure you check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box, and whatever you see here is what you're going to get. What we do, we just make the design and we just send it to them. You can also create your own design on their website, which we haven't really done because we have the software and everything. So we just send the logo, and it's pretty fast. You know, they usually approve it within 24 hours, and they start printing them like in about 2 days. So it's much better if you send the design, but obviously you have to have some knowledge about the software. You have to know how to make the design and have the logo and everything. So it's not really for beginners or for people that don't know how to do this. So you have to have some knowledge. Okay, so yard signs, they're printed on both sides. This is what they look like. We got 12 of them, so it would have taken forever to have all these made by hand. So they're not made with vinyl like we usually do. They're printed directly to the sign. I got 2 more boxes right here that I want to show you, and we got them from the same place. We also made t-shirts for them. So we made yard signs, t-shirts, business cards, and I have another right here product to show you. More business cards for a different company. So this company, they have templates for each product. So like one for yard signs, for business cards, and in this video you can check it out and get an idea of how I download the designs. Yeah, and how much we paid for each yard sign was around $8, less than $10 per yard sign, and you can easily sell them for like 25, or depends on the market and the quantity.
They're big
so
size too. 24 by 18.
Yeah, 24 by 18, double-sided. So there, I mean, it's a good deal, and you don't have to do anything. Just if you have the design, you can just send it to the company and they'll print them for you. So it's a good way to make some extra money. And again, if you have customers wanting business cards, flyers, you should definitely check out this website, because you can get all that, and you don't have to get the equipment. You can just order them from the website, and they'll ship them up to you.